Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to enable HTTPS only mode in your Firefox web browser. So basically that will just automatically establish a secured encrypted connection over HTTPS whenever possible. And this is definitely useful and advisable when connecting over public Wi-Fi connections. Basically any form of silent encryption is usually recommended, probably when browsing anywhere on the internet, but especially on public Wi-Fi connections. And you may be wondering why you would make this change. Well, HTTPS only mode, it'll try and redirect any old or outdated HTTP protocols that are an older application layer protocol that it's no longer secure for the modern web, or you should be using HTTPS whenever possible, which adds a layer of security, which uses either TLS or SSL. But TLS is the modern standard, but SSL protocols have been depreciated and no longer supported and aren't secure anymore. But we're getting way too much into the weeds on this. We're just going to focus on enabling HTTPS only mode in Firefox. So we're going to go ahead and just start by selecting the menu icon on the top right corner of the browser. Just go ahead and left click on that and go down and select settings. Select privacy and security on the left side. And then on the right side, you want to scroll down near the bottom here and it should be underneath HTTPS only mode. So we're going to go ahead and select enable HTTPS only mode in all windows. Please keep in mind that this may create some compatibility issues with very old or unsecure web pages. Frankly, in my opinion, if a website is not upgraded or does not support HTTPS, then you probably shouldn't be browsing that website anyway. That's just something else you can use an exception for here. So you can come back in here, manage exceptions, and then allow certain websites through. I'd rather just set certain exceptions in here rather than just letting everything through. Pretty straightforward process, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.